for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are looking what's going on with SPY. So on Friday we closed SPY around 594, but post market went almost 595.3, and here it was 0.2. So we add another $1 from here. So what is going on right now, guys? Let's see. So we have the full wedges, which is I told you the last round. So I say here it was support, resistance here, and then it was resistance, and once it was supposed to break like this, so we break this way. So on this full wedges, so what will be our next support and resistance? So because market is coming down right now, so we know what's going on with market right now. Probably Monday we are expecting around 576. So we have this cap here, and this cap I so put 594 minus 576. So you will get here will be $18. So we have the cap of here for around $18, and this one probably will go to open tomorrow evening, guys. Remember, this is like a breakout, so we know we have the breakout for upside and the breakdown or the downside. So we might have this breakdown. So remember, SPY is already making a downtrend resistance for 3 consecutive days. So because of that, we may see next week a various downtrend. So morning will be capping down. For example, if you watch this several days here, morning stock like here, if you remember very well, you open from here, you push the morning somewhere here, and then you come again, close down here. Here you open here, you went up here, and then you come to close down there. You open here, you remember on Monday, you open around 573, you went to 599, and then you come back to this area. And on tomorrow, because market is not coming down, it will come closer to this area. I'm expecting personally maybe 510 minus $10 or 585. And closing up on Tuesday, we have some Fed and on Wednesday, and by end of the week we are going to close this cap. Okay, remember we have several days, so on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and possibility for upside breakouts. Remember, we need to close at this man around this area. So short term is very bearish. Remember, we had you see this one, they call dividends. So we have on dividends on 20th. So remember markets, yeah, on 20th, and we want to see what happened every dividends. You see this one, every dividends, stock always followed by the cooling down on SPY. Remember, dividends means SPY is going to pay investors. So like here we have dividends here, it come up, but we followed by the, remember we didn't have any bad news, but every time when you have dividends, we'll follow with a downside. So we have dividends here, push, come down. Yeah, so remember this is the time we are going to talk about we didn't have all some of these things. The only time that we saw SPY dropping down is here, is when during the tariff. So right now, let's see what's going with dollar. So we are going to see the dollar. We know the dollar breakout, and the dollar. The good thing with dollar right now, dollar is not. Uh, so this you see over here. This is, remember with this one. Dollar is already breakout. It just break out and it cool down on Friday. And let me see in 4 hours. That's why I saw it was cooling down. That's why stock was pushing. But you see over here, we had some sell signal on Friday. It came in evening time. So remember this, we call this one a downtrend line. So guys, maybe we can see slightest downtrend or a breakout. So remember 4 hour chart, because market coming down, obvious this one is going to come up, and this one is going to form the called Polish pattern, okay, or a flag pattern. So it's going to do like this. This the flag pattern, okay, and it's going to break outside. So let's see the, let's go the same, and we break down like 45 minutes, because that's 45 will tell you what's going to happen on Monday. So on Monday, you see this thing is already on buying opportunity on breakout. The last thing that I would like to talk is called fix. Fix also is doing nice breakout here. So we have on a downtrend, so formed on I think this is on Wednesday. You see that downtrend. Once we break it, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be very insane, okay? Even though we have some sell signal, remember fix and DXY dollar is always same thing. It's showing weakness and the strongest of the market. Remember fix here, I told you the last round about the fix here. We have already on breaking out, okay? Yeah, it's already on breakout. So thank you so much and have a nice day.